The goal of this showcase is to demonstrate how organizations can take quick decisions based on data by leveraging drill down, role-based security, custom visual capabilities of Power BI. The showcase demonstrates the power of Power BI in sales management scenario. This dashboard helps an organization to analyze the following scenarios: pipeline reports, sales performance, quota, trends, and revenue summary. The Sales Management Analytics dashboard on this website utilizes the embedded capabilities of Power BI. Power BI Embedded helps to easily embed stunning, fully interactive reports right into web or mobile applications. This capability allows companies to share the Power BI dashboard with their customers and external partners. The solution is categorized into 5 pages. The first, Pipeline Report. The pipeline report helps sales analysts focus on impactful insights such as strategy, development, and planning. The information provided in the report benefits sales department manage sales funnel of opportunities or velocity by stage of sales cycle. Power BI's feature called Drill Through allows the user to drill through a specific entity to a focused page to get details that are filtered to that context. In Opportunity Value by Account Visual, by choosing an account or company name, we can further drill through to the trends of the company's sales. The 3 dimensions of drill down feature are demonstrated, namely time-based, location-based, and product-based. The time and location-based drill down capabilities is integral to Power BI platform. The product-based drill down capability is dictated by hierarchy of data defined in the data model. The chart, top 5 opportunity value by account and product category uses more compelling way to communicate the data to audience by incorporating custom visuals to represent the data and focus on top customers. The entire report can be tied to the type of user and role. If role-based security is enabled, the level of visibility changes based on user and its role. Sales performance. Sales performance report provides an increased visibility and operational insight into sales actuals, variances, and forecasts. Sales performance across various regions and countries can be viewed. Drill down feature is also used here for the chart average discount by category, where data can be drilled up or down based on the product category and employee. The cards actual margin percentage and target margin percentage variance to target sales chart shows countries that perform well and countries that have a low variance. The other charts provide data to view actual versus plan across country, product line, channel, customer segment in a single view. Quota. Quota report focuses on information to view quotas, market size, opportunities, and demographics to discover more insights and make more informed decisions. Another new feature Power BI has introduced is bookmarks. Bookmarks help to capture the currently configured view of a report page, including filtering and the state of visuals, and later go back to that state by simply selecting that saved bookmark. In our report, by bookmarking a country Australia, the user can capture the specific data in the visuals and view them whenever needed. Once you have a list of bookmarks, you can use those in several ways, including a quick way to pick up where you left off in your analysis or organizing presentations of your report, creating report navigation, and more. The cards on the report show total account owners on target, account owners not on target, average quota, and average sales, which help get a better understanding of the team's performance. Other charts provide data such as sales versus quota, variance to quota by account owner, and a map chart that shows countries not meeting the quota. Moving on to the next page, the trends. Trends report targets to improve forecasting quality and move from hindsight to insight to improve visibility across the team to validate sales KPIs and trends and the underlying story. With Power BI, the team could stay on top of change, find out how efficient the team performs. The cards show values of revenue for current year versus the last year. The other charts depict weeks to close, which is how long it takes for an opportunity to close, revenue by month, top rankings and accounts, and target revenue by country and account owner. When a drill through feature is enabled in Pipeline Report, the Trends report automatically shows only the data for the selected entity. It is possible to navigate back to the resource source report, Pipeline Report. Moving on to the next one, the revenue summary. The revenue summary helps track key metrics for planning based on revenue by top products, account types, account owners, and date. Thank you.